Today, I want us to look at Tradingview.com trading strategy. I know most of you don't really know whether Tradingview there is strategies. Yes, we have trading strategies in Tradingview, and basically for me to actually record a video showing you a strategy, I have to make sure that this strategy can really be very productive. So guys, I came across one strategy by the name Nadaraya-Watson envelope strategy, non-repainting. Remember the Nadaraya-Watson we had earlier on was repainting, but in this case, this is not repainting. And the reason why I've decided to actually choose this strategy because the Nadaraya-Watson was very great to understand the trend of the market, to know support and resistance level, to know your entry and exit point. So when I saw this one is actually non-repainting, I chose to do it, or rather to show it right on my video right away. So I know this is actually a very brand new thing to most of us, but just don't really worry because we're just going to have something like this on our chart over here, and basically you can see the performance of it. So guys, you can see how effective it really is. We have a percentage profitable of 48%. We had a total of 327 trades. We had a drawdown of 0.86%. Average trades were 11.81, and the average number of bars in trades were 13 at this level over here. And the profit factor, it was 1.083. So this actually means the amount of money the strategy made for every unit of money it lost. Gross profit divided by gross losses, and that's what the percentage profitable. This is actually the percentage of winning trades, the number of winning trades divided by the number of closed trades. So you can see how effective it can really be for us to really know about it. Okay, it's actually given 48% accuracy. Let's see how it is actually supposed to be done when you're using it. So guys, this is the strategy I'm talking about, and it's actually using the Nadaraya-Watson envelope in Tradingview.com, which is actually non-repainting. And as you can see very keenly, it's telling you to look for your buying order over here. Then it's telling you at this level over here, you should close your entry. You understand me? And if you're very careful and experienced trader, you basically have to understand that the top line is actually the resistance, and the bottom line is actually the support level. Because this indicator is not really repainting, what are you supposed to do at this level over here? So we're just going to look at this strategy, then we can see how we can add the accuracy when we want to use it to execute trades. So guys, allow me to show you how to add the indicator, or rather the strategy, right on our chart. Then after that, we're just going to explore more about it. So guys, we're just going to click on indicators tab. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type Nadaraya-Watson envelope. I'm just going to choose this one, Nadaraya-Watson envelope strategy non-repainting, a very brand new indicator. Only 188 traders knows about it. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart. So guys, you can see the indicator is actually telling you at which level you're supposed to execute your trades, telling you like here, take your buy order, and you can see the market really rose up to this level over here, and still on live market is basically buying as well. Over here it told you to take your buy order, and it is actually even telling you to close your position. So guys, if you can watch closely, I can see this indicator is actually paying attention on the bottom line, because it's actually only giving you the buying signal over here. You execute your buy order, it's telling you to exit. You take your buy order over here, it's telling you to exit. You exit to exit, but there is no signals to really tell you to take your sell order. So what are you supposed to really do when you want to execute your sell order? Number one, bearing in mind that this indicator is a non-repainting indicator, you're supposed to know everything that is actually shown on our level over here. It is working perfectly well. So you're supposed to know green zone over here, rather the bottom line, will work as our support level, and the center line over here, just as the name suggests, it will work as our center line to guide us whether to hold our positions or rather exit our trades. Why? Forever and ever see the market reacting to center line. I'm really telling you this simply because if you can probably see over here, the market was actually selling and it was unable to break below the center line. You understand me? So this center line is also a zone where we're supposed to watch the market from, and you can see the strategy was telling you to take your buy order. Why? The price was unable to break below the center line. So a center line can guide you whether to exit your trades or rather to hold your position. So right here you're being told the strategy, look for your buying order. When it gets to the center line, it broke above. So that tells you can actually hold your orders, and you can see the market is actually rising to the upside. So center line is very, very, very important. And to make you really know about it, we are on our resistance level over here. And as you can see, the Nadaraya-Watson is actually very, very great, because you can see the market most of the times is respecting the Nadaraya-Watson. On our resistance level over here, you can see there was multiple rejection and structures broken over here. So when price breaks below the center line, you can actually execute your sell order. Make sure price is actually respecting the center line. And you can see when price is actually respecting the center line, it is actually proceeding. But when it breaks above the center line, you can see it is indeed a great move to the upside, where you're supposed to execute your buy order. This is actually happening over here. So the center line can guide you whether to hold your orders or rather to exit your trades. How can this tell you to exit trades? So let's say you're selling over here, and you have been holding your order, and then it came to this level over here, and price was unable to break below. So that tells you that buyers are actually going to take over the market, and so you should exit your trades, because price can respect it and price can actually break below. So guys, watching this Nadaraya-Watson envelope trading strategy, you can basically see it was paying attention on buy signal, and as well I've added you something extra, how you can use it to execute trades correctly, to know whether to hold your orders or exit your positions. You understand me? So the 48% accuracy with what I've shown you, you can add the accuracy and it can get up to 70%. You understand me? So that's what I really wanted to put across, because you really need this kind of a thing for you to really execute trades. So you can use this on lower time frames. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame and see what is happening. You can see price is actually on the center line. It has not really made a decision to buy or sell. So when you will see the market behaving this way, rather moving horizontally to the center line, don't take your buy order or your sell order, because that simply shows you that the market is actually consolidating. Okay, so guys, let's have an example when the market is resistance level over here and you want to take your sell order. I told you must see the market reacting, or rather reacting to this level by this rejection over here. There is structure broken over here, and still we got this candlestick pattern which rose, and again it closed below the center line, and you can see price closing below the center line. It is actually a very great push to the downside. You understand me? If at all price happens to break above the center line, wait until you see where the rest of the candlestick are going to close it. So if it closes below the center line, you understand me, you can proceed taking your order. And when you are on your support level over here, or rather your lower line still, you must confirm that the market is actually going to buy when it breaks above the center line. You understand me? Center line will always and always guide you, just to remind you whether to take your sell order, whether to take your buy order, whether to hold your position, or rather whether to exit your position. That's how effective it can really be, as we're combining it with the upper line and the lower line. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video regarding this great trading strategy called the Nadaraya-Watson envelope strategy, which is non-repainting. And you can see for real, it is working on real time, it is reliable. So guys, all the extra knowledge that I've taught you, to use it effectively so that you can increase your winning rate when you're using this strategy in tradingview.com. So guys, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video as well. Success and everything you do, just to remind you to continue working here, because I really know one day your hard work will pay. So what do I say, guys? Bye bye, see you in my next video.